Why do so many business owners suffer through high no-show rates for their appointments that they booked? This is what's really crazy to me, right? So you set an appointment with somebody and then they don't show up. Well, I've identified that there's really three main reasons why your prospects aren't showing up for your no-shows. And I totally get it. It's super frustrating because you need to make more sales to keep your business going, and you've spent all this money to get these leads, and the person has opted in, and now they booked themselves for a consultation, and then they don't show up. And not only did they not show up and you're not able to make a sale, but they're wasting your time as well. It's super frustrating to go through all that. Well, with these three techniques, if they were followed properly, you're going to reduce your no-show rate pretty dramatically. So like the first thing is that you have to pre-qualify your prospects. If you're not pre-qualifying your prospects before they book the appointment, how do you know it's a good prospect to even take 30 minutes to an hour of your time? So it's important whether you're doing this automated or if you are having somebody call and pre-qualify, that you set up a process to make sure that you're getting really good quality candidates. And a great way of doing that is by just asking a few simple questions about their commitment level to actually making change and understanding what the problem is. The second issue is if you're booking these leads and there's too much time in between when you speak to or when they book and when the actual appointment is, then that lead is going to get really cold the further out that you go. So it's really important to book these leads immediately within a day or two from when you speak to them or when they see your calendar appointment. If you're not striking when the iron is hot, then the iron's going to get really cold. And the third thing that I see is that the prospect isn't really excited to come to the appointment in the first place. So you have to build up some excitement with that prospect to make sure that they want to come to the appointment and learn from you and ultimately buy from you. But building up that excitement, you could do that through video. So after they book the appointment, send a video explaining what that next appointment is all about and why you're excited for them to show up and that they should show up as well. You could get them excited on the phone by having somebody from your office call them to make sure that they are going to show up. And you just have this nice follow-through process in place so that you get a higher show rate to those appointments that you ultimately need and want. Now, I've put together a little free report about the follow-through process to get more appointments on Monday morning, and then you can implement these strategies to make sure that they show up for their appointments. But if you'd like to get that free book, I put the link down in the comments, but it's businessleadmaximizer.com/Monday, because you'll have more leads on Monday when you implement a foolproof follow-through process in your business. So I hope you download that free ebook. Just click the link down below and grab that, read it, let me know what you think.